When installing an open cable fire alarm system in a commercial application, boxes are typically required for mounting devices such as pull stations, bells, and horn/strobes. These boxes serve several important functions. Firstly, they provide support and secure the device firmly to the wall or ceiling. Secondly, they protect the device from damage or tampering, enhancing the system's reliability. Thirdly, they contribute to an aesthetically pleasing appearance, maintaining a professional look. In most cases, the boxes used for fire alarm devices must be specifically listed for such use. It is crucial that they meet the requirements outlined in the applicable fire codes and standards to ensure safety and compliance. Now, regarding the mounting of detectors on drop ceilings, the requirements differ somewhat. In most cases, boxes are not required for mounting smoke or heat detectors directly onto drop ceiling tiles. The detectors are typically designed to be secured directly to the ceiling tiles using the mounting brackets provided by the manufacturer. However, support brackets are typically required to provide additional support and stability. These brackets ensure that the detectors remain securely in place, even when subjected to vibrations or other disturbances. Always consult the manufacturer's instructions and the applicable fire codes and standards. These resources provide specific guidance on mounting detectors on drop ceilings, and following their recommendations is essential for ensuring proper installation and functionality of the fire alarm system. Failing to adhere to these requirements can lead to malfunctions or non-compliance with safety regulations. It is critical to understand the nuances of mounting fire alarm devices, as proper installation is paramount for the safety and protection of occupants in a commercial building. This means understanding the specific requirements for different types of devices, such as pull stations, bells, horn/strobes, and smoke detectors, as well as the conditions under which they are being installed. Always refer to the manufacturer's documentation on local fire codes to guarantee compliance and the effective operation of the fire alarm system. Additionally, it's vital to ensure that all personnel involved in the installation process are adequately trained and certified to handle fire alarm systems. This minimizes the risk of errors and ensures that the system is installed correctly and functions as intended. In summary, while boxes are generally required for mounting devices like pull stations, bells, and horn/strobes, smoke detectors may often be mounted directly to drop ceiling tiles using support brackets, always adhering to manufacturer's instructions and local fire codes. Remember that the primary goal is to ensure the safety and protection of the building's occupants by providing a reliable and effective fire alarm system.